In Piauí, Brazil, a rider on a 1,200 kilometers journey ignored a clear stop sign, putting himself at serious risk.
Aí o famoso jockey, onde os barão moram.
Not only did he ignore a clear stop sign, he also overtook cars on the right, a reckless move that puts him squarely in the blind spot of turning vehicles. Stop signs aren't just suggestions, they're there to keep you alive. Along the scenic coast of Mendocino, California, one reckless brake check turns a peaceful ride into a road rage.
Get off my car. Get off my car. Really?
What are you gonna do? I have a helmet on.
Come on.
What are you gonna do?
You got a bunch of witnesses everywhere, bro. Witnesses. Just think about that. Motorcycle drive off. I'm a 45 year old man. You're on dash cam. You're on dash cam.
Oh, I'm on dash cam?
Yeah, you're on dash cam. Bro.
Dash cam.
Dash cam.
No matter who's at fault, it's always smarter to stay calm and avoid road rage. In Punjab, India, a group of bikers set out for a ride, but things went sideways when they ended up crashing into each other. This is a perfect example of why you should never make sudden moves during a group ride, and why you shouldn't be riding on the wrong side of the road either. Luckily for them, they are okay, only their bikes sustained damages. In Chicago, Illinois, this electric unicycle rider caught an intense police chase on camera. Luckily for us, he could talk with both of them.
It's going down, y'all. It's going down. Brother, come on! Oh! Don't give up. You better keep going. Don't give up. You gotta take a shit. Gotta take a shit. Look like he's stealing some shit. That's what it looked like. He's still behind you. Let's see how this turned out. You got any predictions on how this gonna turn out? I ain't gonna ever take a shit. I feel you on that. You gonna close my phone. You think they gonna catch you? I didn't take that. Then why you chasing me? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm riding this. It's kind of hard to ride. You almost there, kid. I just don't want him trying to rape me. Rape you is crazy. Look, when he not looking, just take off and grab him. My boy said he got a doo-doo. He was stealing that, wasn't he? Oh, yeah. Just let my boy go. Act like you ain't catching him. Come on, man. No black on black crime over here.
In the state of Texas, a biker saw crashed debris and feared it was one of his friends, but when he turned around on a one-way street, he met another lost rider. The rider gives a short explanation of the incident.
And I didn't know. I had no idea that there was some freaking squid following me up the wrong way on a one-way street. So I lock on my brake, do this, and kablam! Anyway, so watch the video.
Both riders were fine, but who do you think was at fault here? The biker making a U-turn on a one-way street, or the one speeding the wrong way down on it? Let me know in the comments below.